It can be switched from Chinese to English. Click here to enter test product parameters. Enter the sample's inner diameter here, outer diameter here. This field is for gauge length. After setup, click OK, then click here. Then set these parameters. Click 0, then test. First, input the outer and inner diameters of the sample, and the device will automatically calculate the cross-sectional area of the annular ring. After the test is completed, the device will display the maximum tensile force of the sample, and dividing this value by the cross-sectional area of the annular ring gives the result in megapascals MPa.